So you know that do or does and is and are. What is do and does? It is, in a way, asking question. Similarly, is and are, it is also used for asking a question. And the answer is always is in yes or no. We will further see how to make questions from do and does and is and are. So do you see it in the slide? Do and does are used when we want to ask yes or no questions. You see the green color? I, you, we, or they. They are used whenever do is used in a sentence. And in does, what are the words used in the sentence? He, she, or it. These are connected to does, used in the sentence of does. I will explain you further. So you see do, these are the examples. You can see it. The first example is, do you come from India? It's a question where do is used. And the answer will be yes or no. No, I'm from other place. Yes, I'm from India. Second example. Do they have for breakfast? Yes or no. Third question. Do we have black hair? The answer will be yes or no. You understand it. Further we say does. So the questions that come with does, first example is, does she like sport? Second question is, does it snow in winter? So yes or no, the answer will always be in yes or no. The third question, does he speak English? So yes or no. These are the easiest questions to put an example where the answer is always yes or no. So now we will learn whether to use is or are. Look at whether the noun is plural or singular. First we see that if the noun is singular, use is. Is not used with plural. It is used with he, she, or it. And if it is plural, use are. It is used for two or many, or there is more than one noun. You is singular, but you can be used for many people also. So you, we, they. Be careful for not using is with you a lot of times. There are more explanations. So you see is and are, with is. The first question, is she deaf? So what will be the answer? Yes or no? Second question, is your brother has a job? Third question, is he a doctor? Simple. So the answer will be yes or no. Further we learn about are. So what are the examples? First example will be, are you married? So no, I'm not married. Yes, I'm married. Second question will be, are they happy? No, I'm not happy. Yes, I'm happy. Third question, are we at office? So you know the answer, yes or no. Is means singular and are means plural. Always remember this. The answer will be yes and no always. So here let's have this vocabulary enrichment. Words of opposite meaning can be made several words by adding prefixes like un and I am. So making the opposite words. Let's show you some examples. So these are the prefixes un and am to the following words. First, so we invite somebody to a marriage. This is invited. The second, the opposite will be uninvited. Second word is important. The opposite will be unimportant. Third is healthy. The opposite will be unhealthy. Fourth is qualified. Somebody who's skilled or educated. The opposite will be unqualified. Fifth word is perfect. And the opposite will be imperfect. Sixth word is used. Opposite will be unused. Seventh word is possible. If it is a difficult situation, we make it possible. But the opposite is impossible. Eighth word is answered. The opposite is unanswered. Ninth word is partial. Impartial. The opposite is. 10th word is proper. The opposite is improper. So I hope you understand these words. You see the opposite where un or im is used. Questions, so let's start again. Questions can begin with WH, like when, who, where. I'll explain you further. All these question terms together make interrogative pronouns. So when we ask a question, so earlier I explained you is, are, do, does. So this is different from them. So do you see this? What relates to people, animals, and things. These are the examples of these questions. So the first example is, what do you eat for lunch? So the answer will be, I ate rice, I ate dal. Second question is, what do you want? I want money, I want a car. Third question is, what is in the box? Mobile, laptop, it could be anything. Fourth example is, what do your father do? Asking somebody occupation of their father. Where? Asking where related to places. This is the sign of where. These are the example. First example, where do you live? My answer could be, I live in Delhi, I live in Bombay. Second is, where do we go? So I was going to this place or that place. Third question is, where is my book? Asking somebody, where is my book? Not being able to find it. Fourth is, where do he buy shoes from? So asking the brand of the shoes. Why? Relates to the reason. For example, why are you sad? This is the sign of why. Why are you sad? Yes, somebody scolded me, this is why I'm sad. There could be a lot of reasons. Where did you call me? Another example. When we ask that, why did you call me? For some work, for anything. Third is, why are they want to have this job? For money, for sharing the expenses, could be different reasons. Fourth example is, why did he leave? Why did the person take leave? Maybe he is sick, maybe he's out on some emergency. Hope you understood. So now we are talking about which is related to animals or different objects. Not related to the person, always remember. First example is, which dress is good? Choosing one dress. Second example is, which leg hurts? Third example is, which door should I open? How? How relates to a way, manner, or form. How could be, how do you know her? Moving forward, who, WHO, who relates to the people. Subject, who took my pen, who is the man. When relates to the time, relating to the time. When did you arrive? When is your birthday? When is your party? When are you leaving? Whose, WHOSE. It means it relates to the possession. Whose book is this? Who did you borrow? Whose cell phone is ringing? Who wants these? Whose shoes are these? These are different examples.